Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you all of my makeup and brushes and toiletries, and I'm going to show you this new bag that puts it all together in one space. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. Okay, this is my bag. It's by Lavievert. I will put the link down below. I got it on Amazon, so let me go ahead and show you all my stuff. First of all, I went through and grabbed things that I didn't really use on an everyday basis, like old makeup and stuff, and kind of got rid of some of that. But I kept most of it, and let me go ahead and show you. It's got a handle, and I've got just my little clip there. But you can just open this up. You guys, I travel with this all over the place, and it opens just like this, and it's got a little grip that you can hang on a hook in the shower or in a bathroom when you're traveling. This is all my eyebrow stuff now right here, and then I've got some eyeliners. There's room for 6 different things in here. But I've got my 2 eyeliners that I use. I do have some eyebrow pencils that I could put here, but I just leave it in there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's all good and ready to go. There's like all these little pouches, so I keep it all organized. I've got my colors here. Look at that. So it fits in there rather nicely, and I just keep those. And then it's got little back pouches, and I keep everything now, and I know exactly where it goes. So there's my lashes. We've got some perfume spray there. Now this one, I'm not, oh, this is Almay. I was going to say I haven't used this before, and that's why, because I didn't know. It was all tucked in there so nicely. And then I've got just some wrinkle blurring. And I've got my guys in here. My different palettes are in here. So I just keep them all in there perfectly. They line up rather nicely. I mean, I don't know why I'm opening them. You don't really need to see, as long as you see that the palettes are in here. And then I just keep some little makeup brushes, and you could see they were all over the place before. And then I go in here and I'll just pull out. This is all of my lash stuff, eyeliners, so depending on what I want, and then some sugar lip scrub in there as well. We've got these little, this is for your eyelashes when they get stuck together. And a curling eyelash guy there. So it's all in there. And these little guys, they're all in there, but you just zip it closed and it stays in there. And then we've got this little section, and I have nothing in there for the time being. So all of that, you guys. Now, you saw what you saw, but you haven't seen everything. So even while this is open and hanging, and trust me, I hang this when I go in like a bathroom or something, it sits nicely, but why keep it on the countertop where it can get wet, right? So I've got in here, and this is all it opens. It doesn't open much more than that, so things don't come falling out and these don't flail about. But here I have like little blemishing little guys here, and then some makeup in here. So I just keep that all in there, so I know that when I put on any type of foundation, it's in there. My makeup brushes are all in here, and that one does open so I can reach all of them. So we've got those, and there's still more room in there if I'd like. And then on this side is all dedicated to my lips. So I love to change out different lip colors. And I filled these guys up, but there's still plenty of room to fit on the side. And they don't fall out because, again, this doesn't open much bigger than that. So I've got all my lip stuff in there. And then again here I've got lips as well. But this one does open. And this is my lip sense. So I did not tuck that in there rather nicely when I put it away. But they tuck in there really nice. And it holds all my lip scents perfectly. And then I just can see what colors they are by holding it like that. So that is it. That is my bag. I thought it was rather cool. So I wanted to show that to you. Again, they are not paying me anything for it. But I just thought this was really cool. And I love that it cleaned up my makeup so well. So if you guys like that, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. I also thought that that makeup bag would maybe be good for art supplies. So that's actually what made me think I wanted to do a video for you. I completely forgot. I just went on telling you about my makeup. But yeah, wouldn't art supplies fit in there perfectly? I mean, you could have your pens in there. I can have all kinds of fun stuff, like all of these little guys, these little pigments, all of my little inks could go, so many things could go in there, and I just thought that was really cool. I may have talked myself into getting another one. Alright, beauties, I hope you like it. Again, I will put the link down below. I have to go back and find it, just in case you wanted to grab one for yourself. Alright, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!